as a father of a daughter, yes means yes. This is about, domestic violence against women has gotten out of control, and we have to get a handle on it. And Congressman Ose and I agree on this. We both are supporters of the Violence Against Women's Act. It is important, and I'm sure he looks at it the same way I do as a father of a daughter, that we have to address violence on campuses. We have to make sure all women are protected, and that's why I spoke on the House floor to pass the Violence Against Women's Act that protects all women. So, yes.
Mr. Ose.
I'm a strong supporter of making sure that our campuses are safe for our young men and women, including the threat of violence against women. I am delighted that the California legislature passed and the governor signed the legislation you're referring to. This has been a central theme of my previous public service, that we cannot allow inappropriate behavior by young men or women on our campuses. The Violence Against Women Act provided significant funding to address these issues through local law enforcement and the like. I was one of 6 Republicans at the time to vote in favor of that, one of 6. There is, within Title IX, a provision that requires different campuses and universities provide reports on the incidents of such crime. Some comply, some do not. I think it's an appropriate role for a member of Congress to insist that universities comply with the Title IX provisions of these reports. The reason they don't do it has to do with the fact that they do not want to put out in public adverse information for future students and their families to consider when they get around to thinking about college. This is something that strikes right at the foundation of representative government. You're either going to stand up and try to address this, or you shouldn't be in office.